This is LR with Loco Motion Virtual Train on countering a sneeze effect. First, take in consideration a positive and negative airflow. Positive airflow being the face front of a fan that sucks in the air from the backside. Consider a human does a similar effect, sucks in the air and a sneeze into a positive airflow out. Countering this effect from a simple box fan to a tower fan to a small fan that has a special built-in backing. Once the sneeze goes out, the device and or fan would be reversed so that the backside of the fan is sucking in the air and the positive airflow is going to a backed device that captures the COVID-19 and can either be terminated with disinfectant already approved and used on tabletops, and or captured and identified for tracking and tracing. Other parts to this idea will be presented